straightforward, but it's exciting. 1 dehydrator, 6 stainless steel trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, a recipe book, and more. A few, or a lot, of your favorite foods all go on the trays. Then you slide your trays in. With only 4 buttons, the options aren't complicated. Just set the temperature, then set the time. Those are the basics. The process is mesmerizing and extremely satisfying. You might find it tempting to level up, especially once you find thick-cut bacon in the fridge. Or some marinated meat that you'll pay your roommate back for. Once you've mastered that, there's no stopping you. For instance, can you really be satisfied with plain old ice cream? When you can magically transform fruit into fruit paste, into fruit leather, into garnish? Oh, those beets? Let's whip up some beet powder. And there we have it, beet powder a la mode. Voila! Much better. Endless, amazing possibilities. We're rooting for you, dehydrator connoisseur. Live life tastefully with COSORI.
Meet the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle. This little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel.
Our 3-finger Supercut gloves aren't your standard cut-resistant gloves. They give you the best of both worlds, protection and comfort. For starters, these gloves have level 5 cut resistance. This means they are more than 4 times stronger than leather, and a whole lot more comfortable too. The bulk of each glove is made with a mix of high molecular weight polyethylene, glass fiber, and spandex. This fabric is lightweight, comfortable, and soft. It molds itself to your hands so you can wear these gloves for hours, but it's also very strong and protects your hands from nicks and cuts. And that's not all. After studying the way people cut, we reinforced the most vulnerable parts of your hand, your thumb, forefinger, and middle finger, with stainless steel thread. This makes that part of the glove especially durable and tough. To make sure you get the right fit, we've got 4 different sizes. Each size comes with its own color, so you'll never confuse your gloves with someone else's. And they're ambidextrous too. And if you're wondering if these gloves can be used in the kitchen, the answer is yes. These gloves are 100% food safe, so you can use them in the kitchen, the workshop, and beyond. They're also a dream to clean. Just put them in the dishwasher when you're done and let them drip dry. Just like with all our products, these 3-finger Supercut gloves come with the NoCry guarantee. If our gloves aren't right for you, we'll replace them or refund them. All you have to do is ask. And before we wrap up, one final thing. Don't try to cut your gloves on purpose, especially if you're wearing them. While they're sturdy, blades and sharp points can get through. They're designed to protect your hands, but they don't make you impervious to damage. They just reduce the risks.